Captain Abdullah Yusuf is speaking. Thank you again for choosing Air Somalia. Now we're ready to taxi after the delay for 3 days.